Hello friends, today I am discussing about the content aware technology in Photoshop tools simplifies retouching and removing of unwanted objects in a photo. Using the lasso tool, select the unwanted objects in the first image. At the top, choose Edit Fill in the top menu. Apply Content Aware, choose Content Aware in the Use menu and click OK. Apply Content Aware Fill multiple times to the area or the part of the area often improves result. It takes time by processing. Choose another object that you don't want to keep in your photo. I am selecting a small part of the tree, remove with the content aware, fill with the content aware, same with the another. Select the patch tool in the tool panel found under the spot healing brush tool. In the option bar, choose content aware from the patch type menu. Select the destination patch and move the source area and drag. Wow, great. Use another area with the same way. Destination to source, drag and remove. Use the content aware move tool. In this image, select the content aware move tool, nest it under the spot healing brush. In this option bar, select move from the mode menu. I am repositioning the hut to the left. Just gentle selection over the hut. Set gentle, complete the selection. Drag the hut to the left to see how it blends with its new surroundings. Looking great. Before, after. Same here. You can see I am moving in the left and increasing its size. Also playing with another object. For this landscape image, three objects, select the content aware move tool. In the option bar, select extend from the mode menu. I am selecting the tree here. I want to extend more trees. Shift right, increase size and add one more tree with the same blend. Before and after. Before and after. In this image, select the sport healing brush into the tools panel. In the optional bar, set mode to replace and type to content aware. Click and drag to remove the first portion of wire, then repeat to remove the other end of the wire with the help of shift key. Drag on first portion, then use shift key and drag at the end of the portion. Before and after. Before and after.